There's got to be a few laws that you just sit there and go, this is just screws the employer. No one in their right mind would open up a business because they're going through this.
Number one, I would say, is the litigation environment. I know you said specific law, so I'll get to a particular law. But the reason why we have the litigious environment where employees basically just sue their employer, it doesn't even matter. Hey, you did a terrible job. You burned down my store, but now you're suing me because I fired you, right? And it's because the laws incentivize plaintiff side counsel. And the way they incentivize it is by laws that require the employer to be responsible for everything, number one. And then number two, if the employer is not incentivized to go through litigation and prove they didn't do something wrong, because the cost is all on the employer, right? And then even if they were to prove they didn't do anything wrong, all they've done is spent 200 grand, and 4 years of their life to get through trial, right? However, if anything is found, so let's say a jury says, well, she claims or he claims that you did 10 things wrong. 9 of these things are BS. We'll give you this one. We'll say, they worked these hours overtime over here and you forgot to pay them or you didn't pay them for whatever reason. Let's give the former employee $5,000. Because that employee got something, you have to pay all the attorney's fees on the other side. So now you didn't just spend $200,000 on your lawyer, you spent $400,000 on both lawyers and whatever the jury says, right? So basically, it's basically legalized extortion. Hey, we think you did this wrong. Well, no, I didn't do that wrong. My client says you did X, Y, and Z. And we believe our client, that's enough to file a lawsuit. So we're going to file a lawsuit unless you give us $50,000. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not going to give you $50,000. Well, if you don't pay us the $50,000, it's going to cost you exponentially more than that. And you're going to have all of the risk and you're going to spend the next 4 years with sleepless nights. So you might as well give us the $50,000. That's how the game is in a nutshell. So that's one really bad law.